Hey guys, so I've decided to vote for the anime awards by Crunchyroll this year. So let's see. I watched the video by Glass Reflections and I wasn't really pleased by what he was saying because he completely dissociated or completely ignored Devilman Crybaby, and I think that you shouldn't do. So I'm going to vote for the best protagonist for not yet finished right now. Okay, so I'm going to vote for Sakuta. Not going to share it. So let's see now if we move on to the best antagonist. I heard that Overlord's Momonga is here. I don't think he is an antagonist, but let's see the other people here. Ryo is here. That's nice. Akane from Gridman is here. I haven't seen Gridman yet. And All for One is here. He's a good villain. Yuri is here for Megalobox. I think Yuri will win. I think Yuri can win. But I'm also sure that Golden Kamui is very underrated. So I think they will let Tokishiro Surumi to win. And I'm going to vote for Surumi because I just love his character. His overall personality stands out from the rest of them. Because Ryu is a god, Momonga is a god, Yuri is not really a villain. I think he's an anti-hero. I haven't seen Gridman, and All for One disappears after the second act in the My Hero Academia. So moving on to the best boy, I think hands down it's going to be won by mm, Sakuta. I don't think I'm going to vote for Sakuta because I already voted for him in the best protagonist. I think I'm going to vote for Kotaro. I think you should vote for Kotaro as well. I think he's the only boy in the Zombieland saga, and I think he deserves it, especially with the voice actor of uh, Steins Gate. Steins Gate's mad scientist. He does a good job, and I don't think they have mentioned Steins Gate anywhere. I don't know why Izuku is here. He already has won 2 times, and Halda hasn't made any impact to me. Let's moving on to the best girl. Uh, I can already see the best girl here. No doubt whatsoever, Anzu is going to win. Best opening sequence. I don't know why Kakegurui is here again. Why is she here? I thought Kakegurui was finished in 2017. I'm going to vote for JoJo because I think Golden Wind is one of the best OPs of all time. Okay, so moving on to best opening sequence I've done, best ending sequence. Best ending, I'm going to vote for Megalobox obviously because I just love the song. If you haven't heard about this song, you should definitely hear it. It's a good song. It's a very good song. Better than Attack on Titan, After the Rain. I don't think I even remember FLCL's songs. I haven't seen FLCL Progressive yet or Alternative. I've seen the original FLCL. The song was good, but it also was done by Pillows. Ravi Starlight, I haven't seen it. So best voice actor performance in Japanese. I think it should be won by what's his name? Steins Gate's Mad Scientist. But I don't think Steins Gate has been nominated. Yeah, they haven't nominated Steins Gate. Let's see. I have saw Gretzko in English. Gridman I haven't seen. Lead by Camp I think can win, but I'm going to give it to Megumi Ha. I just love Devilman Crybaby. I can't sub it like Arcada. Oh, so this is a good. I think Christopher Sabat absolutely deserves it. And I saw Gretzko. I'm going to vote for a Gretzko or All Might. I don't. Who should I vote? Who should I vote for? Mm, Darling in the Franxx. No, I'm going to vote for Christopher Sabat. Best actor, absolutely hands down, Masaki Yuasa. If you haven't seen any of the work done by Masaki Yuasa, you should definitely check him out. He's one of the best directors in the anime community. You should definitely check out Ping Pong the Animation, or Tatami Galaxy, or Devilman Crybaby, or The Night is Short, Walk On Girl, or I think I've seen many movies of Masaki Yuasa. I think Wolf Children is done by him too. So yeah, you should check Masaki Yuasa out if you haven't. Devilman Crybaby hands down is one of the best shows of 2018. Not going to even see the other nomination. I think Banana Fish was an excellent show as well. Best animation, I think Violet Evergarden absolutely deserves it. I've got no doubt in my mind that Violet Evergarden deserves it. Devilman Crybaby was good animation. Megalobox had a good animation. Bones is not going to win, obviously. Best film, let's see. I haven't seen this one. I don't know what this is. I have seen Fireworks. I have seen Makia. Makia is nominated. I have seen Mirai. I have seen Liz and the Bluebird. I haven't seen My Hero Academia yet. I have seen Night is Short, Walk On Girl. I'm going to give it to Mirai. It was absolutely beautiful to watch. It had brilliant animation, and the story is quite good too. You should definitely check it out. I don't think you can. It's available online, so you have to go to your nearest theaters. Best character design, I think I have to go with Agretzko because I haven't voted for anything yet. So yeah, it had good characters, especially it had a feel like what's that movie called? The Disney one. I can't really remember the name. I think it won the Oscar in 2016. Zombie. I can't remember the name. Anime of the year. Now wait. Best fight scene. I'm going to go with Hinamatsuri All Might. I'm going to go with Dragon Ball. Yeah, I'm going to go with Dragon Ball. Jiren versus Goku hands down. Best continuing series. Ancient Vegas Bride. No doubt about that. I haven't seen Boruto's new season. So I'm going to go to the anime of the year. I've seen all of them. Zombieland Saga, I don't know if it deserves to be here. Hinamatsuri is the one that I want to win. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to vote for Hinamatsuri. Who should I vote for? I won't vote for Zombieland Saga. Violet Evergarden is not so special for me. Megalobox had a terrible ending. Hinamatsuri was great. A Place for the Reason Universe is great, but I'm going to go for Devilman Crybaby. I think it really had an amazing impact to all of the anime community, and it started the year with a bang. So I'm going to go with Devilman Crybaby. You can also vote in the links given in the description below. It's subjective, so your decisions can change. But I wanted to see more nominations for Steins Gate Zero, Bloom Into You, and Banana Fish. I don't know why they subbed all of that. So yeah, that was my picks. You can choose yours.
That's quite big. Impressive. Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
Yo, 忍に Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like it's coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. B-O-O all over me, my green is